Good evening, folks. And in Oblique Planes 11, we will be looking for the dihedral angle between the planes ABC and ABDE. So we're going to kind of start to be going back, dipping in and out of dihedral angles, and until the summer break, you will be hearing a lot more of them, and they will be appearing in the majority of our questions, okay? So we're going to kick off. So to get the dihedral angle, the first thing you need is to identify the line of intersection. Now you can almost tell here AB is the line of intersection, but you can see it there visually then, okay? AB is the line between that connects those two planes together. So the first thing I always need to find out about this is I need to look in at this perpendicularly, as we did in video 8, and we need to get the true length of that, okay? So get your set squares there. We're going to shoot up A and B. Now we're also going to take 1 point from each plane. That's all we need, because what we're after is to create that V shape, okay, that will let us see the planes as edge views, and hence we can see the dihedral angle. So we'll just come up there and we'll put in the XY line, X1, Y1. Now, where am I getting my height from? New view, 1 view back, 2 views back from elevation. So you have all your heights up here anyways, so we'll just tick them off there. See. Now that is the true length of the line of intersection there, okay? And we'll just mark off our heights. I took C at a height of 45. And E has a height of 50. Now you can take any 2 points, doesn't matter at all which ones you bring with you. You could bring them all, but there's no point. Now, next thing, we have the true length line. So now we're going to look along it, okay? So looking straight along there. And the reason we want to do that is we want to see this line as a point view. And it's a rule of geometry. You want to see a plane as an edge view, get a true length line and look along it. And because this is a true length line now for both planes, we will see both planes as an edge view. Put in X2, Y2. And there's one other thing I'm going to do in this question. When I go to put down my points here, new view, 1 view back, 2 views back. I must get my measurements from here. Now if I look here, if I take that distance for C there, and I go to put it on here, well, it'll just actually will just fit. I was going to put in a datum line. So we'll do that actually in another question. So we'll just stay going ahead. It will fit. I thought it mightn't fit there. If it doesn't fit on your page, you could move in, put in a temporary measuring line, a datum line closer there, and you'll get the same thing, but it'll be closer to your X2, Y2. But anyways, on we go. Stretch out your compass there, start marking the distances off. See, just fits on my page. E. And now, when you measure A and B, they will be the same length. Okay, so if you see that there, That's the distance A to B, xy to x for y1 to B and to A, they're the same distance. And you know you're measuring off the same place, right? Okay, when it's parallel. Because when you come down here to mark off this, when they're the same length, that means you get a point view. If there were different lengths, okay, you would end up there with a line, not a point view. So it's always for the second auxiliary, you're measuring off the XY line that is parallel to the line of intersection, okay? And as I said, if that's going off your page, just put in a datum line there, okay? And it'll get you the same thing, but it'll just be moved up here. So anyways, connect up these guys here. And we get an edge view of both planes. Now they may go on longer, but it doesn't matter. The dihedral angle will be the same, so 1 point is all you need. And then we put this symbol in there to identify the dihedral angle. So that's that question, short and sweet, folks. Hope you found it useful. More videos to come. Take care and stay safe.